One of the unique characteristics about our research group at Case Western Reserve is applying chemical engineering principles to processes that have radioactivity. And the problems we try to solve are really related to metals manufacturing. So for us, that could be taking valuable resources from a waste stream, so either mining waste or use nuclear fuel, and purifying out the valuable components. Right now, it's cost prohibitive to do so. So we're actively prototyping at ThinkBox. We're 3D printing separation process units. In other projects, we're looking at intentionally producing very valuable metals, some of which can be used for cancer treatment or medical imaging. The Department of Energy gives out early career research awards to young investigators at universities and national labs. And so I received this award in 2020, funding this entire arm of our research that is focused on medical isotope production and purification. We work with Brookhaven National Lab, and they have a large linear accelerator there. And so they actually produce this very special isotope called actinium-225 used for cancer treatment. There's just not enough of it being produced, and when it is produced, it's very slow to purify. The longer you take, the more of it disappears because it's radioactive and it's decaying. So what we're interested in is increasing the supply of that radioactive isotope. We work on the purification materials here, we validate them, and then when we're ready, we'll send our students with the materials that we synthesized at Case to the national lab so they can actually work with the technicians that do this purification. In the next 5 to 10 years, I think we should be at the point of moving some of this technology out of the lab. Particularly with the medical isotope work, we have collaborators that are ready to validate and try out these materials in a wide variety of processes. As a faculty fellow with the Duval Institute for Entrepreneurship, we're starting to think about how we can commercialize some of our technology. Being an engineer, you get into the field wanting to solve problems. Remediating radioactive waste, right? Being able to clean that up for those communities that are nearby is really rewarding. We also feel that on the medical side of our research too. If we can make a process quicker or more efficient, then that's more treatments that people can get.